Let's learn what does lacing is and what does how it's going to affect on our Dynamo graphs and how it will affect on our operations in Dynamo plugin for our Revit project. Let's go. This is Jawad Hamidi, and in this channel we upload weekly tutorials about Revit, Dynamo, Enscape, and other kind of BIM software. So don't forget to subscribe us and like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. And it will help us to create more videos like this. Lacing is kind of a operation style for your nodes or for your graphs in your Dynamo plugin and in your Revit project that will affect very big that has some big effects on your graphs and on your projects when you do when you don't do them correctly and you don't know the exact thing you are going to select for lacing option, you will have some trouble in your graphs. Let's go to the screen share and let me show you the styles of lacing, and I will show you the exact effect of lacing in different examples. Okay, let's create a new Dynamo file here and let me create some points, maybe point by coordinates, and let me create a range here, maybe 1, 2, and the step should be 1. Now we have 10 number here. I'm going to plug this in X, and we have 10 points here. I want to copy this, but this time I will put it in Y, like this. Okay, lacing, we have two sets of points here. We are going to create some points from them. Let me create less points here, for example, maybe 8. Now we are going to create some line by here. For example, if you would search for line, you will see the tool by start point and end. When you use this one, you can now plug the start point, and also you can plug the end points. But what is happening here? In the automatic mode or shortest mode, you can see we have 10 numbers here, and we have 8 numbers here. The Dynamo will recognize the first with first, second with second, and third with third, and it will make a line with them. But when Dynamo arrives at the 9th number of this set, he will see that there isn't any 9th number in this place. So it's going to cut the operation. It is the shortest lacing or automatic lacing. You can see the lacing option here. You can now I can change the lacing from here. Just right click, and now from here you can see the methods of lacing. It is auto, but in fact it is shortest. Now if I will change that to shortest, you can see there is no difference. And also you can see the symbol here too. If when you change it to longest, all of the operation will be same, but when Dynamo will reach to the 9th number of this set, he will continue to connect the 9th number of this set with the rest of with the extra numbers of another's. For example, we have here 8 point, but here we have 10 point. When it is in 8 point, Dynamo will connect other ones with the last one in the another data points. Okay, I hope this was clear for you, but let me to create another example for it. Let me create a range of numbers here, or maybe some group of numbers, not range of numbers. You can create them with brackets, and then you can type your numbers and separate them with commas. Okay, here we have 10. We have 3 numbers, and in the second group of numbers, I'm going to have just 2 or maybe 4. Let us multiply these 2 group of numbers together. Search for multiply option here, and let me multiply both of them together. Also, in this kind of situations, the hierarchy of plug nodes are so important. For example, be careful about here. I'm going to show you the exact thing that I'm explaining now. And let me plug this into Y here. Okay, let me put it on shortest, and let me see the results here. Now you can see when it is in shortest, 5 with 5 will multiply to 5, 2 will multiply to 2, and 10 will multiply to 3. And the fourth number would be nothing, and there is no operation on that. But if I would change that to longest, now you can see the last number when it reaches to 10 in this group, it will when it will reach to the 4 in this group, it will multiply with the with the last number of this group of numbers. But the one of the best situation that you can use cross product is here. For example, if I would go and put it on cross product, you can see we have set of lists here that each of them are like this: 5 to 5, 5 to 2, 5 multiply 3, 5 multiply 4. This is the first group, and the second group will be 2 multiply 5, 2 multiply 2, and 2, and so on. I said the hierarchy is important. For example, if I would change the hierarchy here, you can see our set of lists will be 4 here, because we have 4 numbers that have been multiplied to 3 numbers. Okay, also here, if I would change this to cross product, you can see another kind of geometry here, that any of the points will be connected to other points. From here to all of them, from here to all of them, and so on. You saw the effects of lacing in our dynamic graphs, and you can now understand the importance of this option in our nodes. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to subscribe us and like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues, and it will help us to create more videos like this. And don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section. And the question of this video is, are you using Dynamo? Or if the answer is yes, what kind of workflow you're automating them with your Dynamo graphs? I will see you on the next session.